You ever felt like you were losing your edge, outsourcing decisions, depending on data, doubting your own instincts? I have, because I thought more tech meant more power. Turns out it was replacing me. Today, we're cracking open the AI identity crisis, how tech is erasing your decision making muscle. Because if you can't decide, you can't lead. Let's figure this out together. Welcome to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential, the podcast where your transformation begins. I'm Sean Michael, and each day I'll bring you quick, impactful insights and action steps to fuel your personal and professional growth. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a leader, or someone ready to break limits and ignite greatness, this is your Daily Power Boost to crush obstacles, stay focused, and awaken the extraordinary potential within you. Because remember, greatness begins within. Let's go. Hey there, boosters. Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, here to help you lead and live from the inside out. Yesterday, we exposed the danger of half committing in The Quiet Quitting Deception, how playing it safe is still self-betrayal. But today, we're tackling a different, quieter threat, the lie that more tech makes you smarter. I once met a CEO who had every tool: analytics, dashboards, AI powered insights, decision algorithms. But when it came to making a real call, they froze. I can't move without more data, they confessed, because the tools that were meant to enhance their instincts were actually replacing them. First, over reliance on tech kills intuition. The more you defer to data, the less you trust your gut. Your decision making muscle atrophies. You become a consumer of conclusions, not a creator of them. I've been there, second guessing myself, needing another app, another answer, another algorithm. But I was just avoiding the courage to choose. And the more I outsourced my decisions, the more I forgot how to make them. Second, tech can amplify fear of being wrong. You think the data makes you safe, but really, it makes you scared. Scared to act without guarantees, scared to own your decisions. One leader I knew wouldn't make a single hire without an AI personality test. Not because it was smart, but because it was safe. Here's the problem: when you fear being wrong, you never learn to be right. Third, AI without awareness is a crutch, not a catalyst. It's a tool, not a replacement. If you lose touch with your judgment, you lose touch with your leadership. The strongest leaders aren't the ones who know the most. They're the ones who trust themselves the most. The reality is, real leaders don't just consume information, they create clarity. Let's take a breath and think about this. Where have you been outsourcing decisions instead of owning them? Who or what are you allowing to tell you what to do? Because here's the truth: the strongest leaders don't avoid mistakes. They make them, learn from them, and lead anyway. Want to flip this week? Take these steps. Trust your gut. Make one decision this week without checking the data first. Own your errors. Look back at a mistake you made. What did it teach you? Limit your inputs. For one day, choose a task where you will not use any AI or external advice. Use your clarity to decide, your courage to own, your wisdom to learn. AI can assist, but it can't decide for you. I've broken free from the lie that more data makes me better. And if I can, so can you. That's today's Daily Power Boost. Pick one, trust, own, or limit, and rebuild your decision-making muscle. Show notes have the tools to keep you sharp. Ready to build that decision-making muscle? Join us inside the Real Mastery Hub, where growth is grounded, transformation is real, and you lead from true identity. Visit realmasteryhub.com. Loved this? Share it with someone drowning in data and give them back their instinct. Tomorrow, we're tearing apart another illusion with the networking delusion, why most connections are costing you trust. Because not all contacts are allies. Till then, choose wisely, stay true, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential. Remember, transformation starts with action. So take today's insight, make it your own, and awaken your inner potential. Because remember, greatness begins within. Catch you tomorrow for your next Power Boost.